In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Enter on WhatsApp Web. This simple process, once mastered, can significantly smooth your messaging experience, turning conversations into a seamless exchange without fumbling around for the send button. Let's start by navigating to WhatsApp Web. If you're unfamiliar, WhatsApp Web is the browser version of the popular messaging app WhatsApp, allowing you to send and receive messages directly from your computer. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in web.whatsapp.com. You'll be greeted by a QR code which you'll need to scan using the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. This is how WhatsApp verifies your identity and keeps your messages secure. Once scanned, you'll have access to all your WhatsApp chats right on your computer screen. Next, choose a chat where you want to send a message. You can select any conversation from the list shown on the left side of your screen. If you're starting a new conversation, click on the chat icon at the top and search for the contact you wish to message. Now, it's time to type your message. Click inside the text box at the bottom of the chat. This text box is where all your typed messages will appear before you send them. Whether it's a quick hello, a longer catch-up message, or even an important business inquiry, this is your space to compose. Here's where the magic happens. Sending your message. Once you've finished typing, instead of looking around for a send button, you simply press the enter key on your keyboard. That's right, pressing enter will immediately send your message to the selected contact. This handy shortcut eliminates the need for mouse clicks and can speed up your messaging, making your conversation flow more naturally. But what if you want to add a new line in your message instead of sending it? Maybe you're listing items, or you just prefer your messages in a specific format. You might wonder if pressing enter will always send the message. Don't worry, WhatsApp Web has a solution for this as well. If you need to insert a line break rather than sending the message, simply hold down the Shift key and then press enter. This combination allows you to move to a new line without sending the message, providing you the flexibility to format your messages exactly how you want them. Remember, the simplicity of WhatsApp Web's functionality extends to not only sending messages, but also to the convenience it offers for engaging in longer, more detailed conversations. With a full-size keyboard at your disposal, typing out messages is much quicker and less prone to errors compared to typing on a smartphone's touchscreen. This advantage makes WhatsApp Web ideal for longer chats, business communications, and when you need to send information that requires more precision and clarity. In closing, mastering these simple steps and shortcuts within WhatsApp Web can immensely boost your productivity and ease of communication by directly going into a chat and typing your message, then utilizing the enter key to swiftly send it. You're optimizing your messaging efficiency. And for those messages that need structure, remembering the Shift plus Enter combination for new lines will ensure your messages are always formatted just the way you like. So, next time you sit down at your computer for a chat session on WhatsApp Web, remember these tips. They'll not only save you time, but also enhance your messaging experience, making every conversation a breeze. Happy messaging,